today's lesson, we're going to learn about proportional relationships. And in particular, we're going to learn about the constant of proportionality. So if we have a problem like this that says the graph shows the proportional relationship between the number of hours driven and the distance covered in kilometers in that time, what is the constant of proportionality? So here we could see the distance in kilometers on the y-axis, and the x-axis has time in hours, and this is the graph. So the first thing is to know, first step, and there's a few steps, so make sure you stick around for all the steps. The graph of a proportional relationship is a straight line passing through the origin. So why is that? This is true since 0 hours worked earns 0 pay. And for this example, if you drive 0 time, you cover 0 distance. So that's basically the logical explanation for why that is. So x and y have a proportional relationship. So the constant of proportionality is the ratio of y to x. Or in other words, it's y over x. So now we can find an easy point to work with. Okay, always try to find an easy point to work with. So this one here crosses exactly an intersection here. But for example, it would be kind of difficult to figure out what this point is. This point we could see clearly is 5, 40. So 5 on the x, 40 on the y. So now we can calculate the ratio of the y-coordinate to the x-coordinate. So, which is basically y over x. So it equals 40 over 5, which equals 8. So the constant of proportionality is 8 kilometers per hour, or 8 kilometers per hour, written this way. So now you understand what this means. Okay, this is a constant of proportionality. So don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, I have links in the description to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link that'll take you right to this video, and you can follow along as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.